Said I only use it for not just my feet, but I actually use it for 3D printing. So all right, today we're gonna bring an electrical foot grinder. Now, this one you're not gonna believe what I use it for. Not just for your feet and grinding it down where you can make it nice smooth areas, but I also find it very useful for what I do. I do 3D printing, and I like to use objects like this, devices just like this, because I always find different ways of actually taking advantage of some of the great tools that I have. Now this one right here, if you guys can see, it's rechargeable. All right, it's a Type C. All right, so all you got to do is push the power button once, lights up. If you guys can see, speeds. So here's the attachments I was just talking about. Just put it in there. There's a dead end here. It just hits it. It won't go further than that. Now, if you guys notice, this is not Velcro. This is adhesive. This is tape. This is double-sided tape that goes on the system itself. So when you run it out completely, you're able to replace it. Now, like I said, you have an attachment here. All you got to do is sync it up in here. Turn on the button. Hold the button, and there it goes. Start spinning. If you guys can see it, I'm going to hit it the opposite way, and it's going to go the other way. All right, so that's another great thing that you have. It displays the actual battery life on the system. You got 80 grids in here and simple. One of the great things that I forgot to mention is that they give you these rollers in here. So overall, this whole kit's included. I'm going to smooth it out as much as you can. Get it higher. Came out really good. It's doing a great job on this one. I like this, that you could switch different heads on it, and it's going to work in different positions, different ways. Hope you guys enjoy the video.